And the video marathon continues. So today I'm going to be making the coconut almond yogurt again. Surprise, surprise, surprise. But the thing is look, for years and years and years, I have been going over the fundamentals on the things that matter to me. So I'm going to assume that somehow the fundamentals may benefit you also. I have gone over the same things over and over and over and over and over again. And it has been a huge blessing in my life to live that way, to counterbalance all the negative programming and all the negative habits to create new and better habits. And it took me a long time to really get this lifestyle down, or these tools. And so I have practiced them, and now they're very easy and effortless. It took me about 5 minutes of preparation to get. I opened 2 coconuts, and I've got some almonds here, but that was it. That was the work that went into creating this coconut almond yogurt. So what I've got here are some soaked almonds. This is 3 days soaked. 24 hours, 48 hours is better to really get a good soak. Just remember to change the water, but get truly raw almonds that actually do sprout and activate and wash off all the enzyme inhibitors and phytates. So I'm going to take a couple cups of almonds, and then I'm going to take a couple cups of the coconut meat. And then I'm going to take a couple cups of coconut water. Cool, maybe I didn't need to open that other coconut, but it had the better meat. So let's keep that here for now because we may need to add a little bit of moisture. But basically it's equal parts almonds, coconut, and water. Then you add the Life Essentials. Vitamin E, tocotrienols, antioxidants, about a quarter cup of that for one batch. This is one batch, and then I'm going to make 2 recipes in the video marathon here. The first one is going to be my favorite smoothie of all time. I'm not a huge smoothie person, but every once in a while I'll get a hankering for a nice thick smoothie, but you got to hang around to see what that is until after this is done. Then I'm going to take about a quarter cup of the Paradigm Natural. If I dump the rest of that in there, will it be excessive? Probably. So I'm going to do it anyways because there's not enough for another one. So not too bad, not too bad. You want to get the ratios just right, especially with the natural protein. You don't want it to overburden the the creaminess of your yogurt. But it's a very vital ingredient. For many years, we were making the yogurt with just the Life Essentials and not the Paradigm Natural. But the Paradigm Natural is all 22 essential amino acids and coming from pea and hemp and goji berry. And then inside there is inulin, which is a prebiotic fiber, which is also very good for people with diabetes. I'm not making any claims. And then there's protease, which is a protein splitting enzyme, so good for everybody because there gets to be protein plaques in the gastrointestinal tract. And then there are microorganisms as well. And then I'm going to add a little bit of extra for a quick, powerful culture. I've got about 2 teaspoons left. I'm just going to do it. Adios. So we're knocking off a couple of things today. So adios to the Raw Life Protein and another bottle of Life Biotic, which the small one lasted me about 3 months. I ordered a ton of this stuff. You might want to order it now. It kind of disappears. The reason why it was out of stock for so long is because the bags were on a ship. Now we're good. So this is the coconut almond yogurt, which is just really, really delicious, versatile, and nutritious. It takes a little bit of work. I get it. But once you get in the habit of it, even if you just make it once a week, it's very good for your gut. It's very good to get those aminos in there, especially with the ease of absorbability. I take the yogurt in the form of gorilla milk or a dressing pretty much about 4 or 5 days a week, so I've really gotten into the habit. It's a great habit to have, to be able to have the almonds on hand, to have a regular coconut supply on hand, and to be able to bust this out anytime that you want, so you can make all the various milks or the dressings, because these are whole food milks and whole food dressings. Then you can drown your salad and it's delicious and smooth and creamy, and you don't have to feel bad about it, because all those other dressings are nasty and they've got a lot of chemicals and crap in there, and you get addicted. This stuff, and then the versatility is endless. And I'm going to show you not only a smoothie today, but then I'm going to make another video right after that on how to make this amazing dressing slash dip slash soup, depending upon how consistent you make it. So let's whip this out. Epic. So that protein really absorbs a lot of liquid. So since I put, there's a blob there on the side. Since I put more extra protein, I needed to add a little more water. You can make a nice thick yogurt if you want a real nice, like a dip, and then you can thin it out for smoothies, or just chugging it back really, or putting it on bananas or throwing it into fruit. So we've got, that is looking pretty good. Should I save? Let's save the big one. And if it's a smaller smoothie, that's fine today. Oh, it's still gonna be a good size smoothie. So that's that. And that is gonna be for the next recipe. But this, you could take this and add another couple cups of coconut water and make it into a milk. And then you could either strain that through a nut milk bag, which is very fine strained, or you can take the coarse strainer and strain it through that, or you can do what I do and just take all the fiber, no problem. I like the fiber. I do strain it sometimes, but rarely. I just keep it in there. So there's the rest of it. So that's coconut almond yogurt in there. And now for my favorite smoothie in the world. That's right, I got inspired by these blackberries. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tell me that that's not inspiring. Gorgeous. So that is epic. So that is blackberries, boom. And, I mean, look at these. I mean, you've seen raspberries too, but these are nice, man. Gorgeous. Raspberries, and then blueberries. And I am gonna have to go out and like get some exercise, because I already drank a lemon ginger blast and I am high as a kite. I've been working all day, and I realized I could do this all day, every day, dude. And I probably should, because then my Google AdSense would go way up. I might even start getting some subscribers. Maybe I'll get a little bit of love in the algorithms, as long as I don't say too much. Can you dig it? But that is awesome. So watch this. You could throw a banana in there too if you wanted a little bit more carbohydrates, but I like it just straight berries and yogurt. Watch this. Oh, yeah. That color, right? That is too legit to quit. What do I do without you? Do my things, yeah. Oh my God, that color is amazing, right? Color of life. I gotta show you this. Gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful, baby? So that is my favorite smoothie recipe. That's probably what I'll entitle the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to hang out with me on Friday, New Year's Eve, come to the Elite Video Club and join up over there. Check out all the content I got over there, and then join me face to face via live Zoom hangout with DTM on the Elite Video Club. That's coming up this Friday, New Year's Eve. So I hope to see you there. Epic. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let's get these algorithms working in the favor of the DTM and spread the message. Share these videos with your family and friends, especially the ones where I don't act too weird. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.